They said the sign would be a kiss. That's how they'd know who to take.
Yeah, it's me, Judas. You're already judging me, huh? I can see it in your face.
But I haven't done it yet. Not technically. That way? That's where the priests are. That's where the deal gets made.
You think I want to do this? That I just woke up and said, let's betray the Messiah today? I'm the one who handled the money, the meals, the travel routes. And somehow I'm always invisible.
If he's the Son of God, then he already knows I'm thinking this. And he hasn't stopped me. Maybe that means I'm supposed to.
I said yes. 30 pieces. That's the price. That's what they gave me. For him. You ever get tired of being overlooked? Of doing all the work but never getting the glory?
I thought this would feel like... I don't know. Like justice. Like finally being seen. Maybe if he acted like the Messiah we expected, we wouldn't be here.
But he just keeps loving enemies, washing feet, talking about dying. What kind of kingdom is that?
This has to mean something. Right? This has to move things forward. But it doesn't feel like power. It feels like weight. He's eating with us, and I'm planning the betrayal.
You hear that? They're up there breaking bread, laughing like nothing's wrong. He just washed my feet. Mine. Do you understand what that feels like? I don't even know why I'm filming this. I just need someone to hear it. I was there. I loved him. But love doesn't fill your stomach, or keep you warm, or stop you from being invisible in every miracle story. They'll remember the kiss, but no one ever talks about this part, this silence, this sickness in your gut. This is the last meal I'll ever share with him. And he knows. He knows. I just have to get through the bread and the cup. Then I slip out, and it's done.
He just looked at me, handed me the bread. I didn't ask, didn't confess, didn't say anything. And he still knew. You ever get exposed in front of everyone and no one knows it but you and him? You ever hear someone forgive you while you're still doing the thing they're forgiving you for?
What you're about to do quickly. That's what he said.
They said the sign would be a kiss. That's how they'd know who to take.
So I walked up, I touched his cheek, and I gave it. I kissed the Son of God, and he called me friend. You ever do the one thing you swore you wouldn't, and feel the regret before your hand even pulls away? I went back to the priests. I tried to give it back. 30 silver coins. That's the price they offered. And I took it. For someone who did nothing wrong. They said, "What's that to us?" They shrugged, like none of it touched them.
I thought if I could give it back, maybe I'd still be me.
You ever trade something sacred and the profit just rots in your hand?
I gave the silver back. Threw it at their feet like it could buy forgiveness.
You ever do something so wrong you don't even ask for grace? Because you think you don't deserve to speak it? Peter denied him 3 times. 3. And Jesus still looked at him with love. I betrayed him once, and I ran. I could have repented. Don't do what I did. Don't confuse conviction for condemnation. If I had waited one more day, maybe I'd have seen the tomb empty. If you still have breath, you still have a choice. Don't do what I did. Don't let your guilt speak louder than grace. The rope isn't redemption. Repentance is. Please wait. You ever do the one thing you swore you wouldn't? And feel the regret before your hand even pulls away?
He's eating with us, and I'm thinking thoughts I shouldn't be thinking.
He just washed my feet. Mine. Do you understand what that feels like? I kissed him. Then I tried to take it back. But the kiss stayed, and the silver wouldn't. That way? That's the garden. That's where they'll take him once I point him out with the kiss.